beloved friends on YouTube, my precious friends, I am back with another video. How are you? Summer is coming. We need to prepare our bodies, right? We need to be attractive for boyfriends, husbands. I'm kidding. But we need to really be good to ourselves. We're going to be wearing clothes, summer clothes that is going to show our arms, and we need to have those arms nice and strong and toned. And we're going to be wearing our bathing suits, our bikinis. But this video is going to be about a review of an awesome product. You're going to like it. And I find out with this product you could also use it on your face, excuse me. And so first I want to say thank you so much for the encouragement. I thank you so much for the beautiful comments. I get very overwhelmed reading your comments. I'm sorry, reading your comments. And sometimes I take a little longer to respond them, but I do read them. And so this video is going to be about an awesome product. And so you all have heard about coffee scrubs, but these it's called the Slender Body Originally Coffee Scrub. This one here, it's called Slender Body, the company. I will put the information in the description box. But this particular coffee scrub, it's very different than the other ones they sell it in the market. Very different, because this has cacao oil. Cacao oil, as you know, stimulates collagen because of the high contents of retinol. What an awesome thing to put cacao oil on your whole body to prevent the sagging. And they have formulated with 250 mgs of cacao oil. And you know, coffee Arabic from Colombian, it's one of the coffees that will help to activate the collagen and maintain your skin firm and elastic. Coffee Arabic from Colombia, especially the seeds, the coffee bean seeds, are loaded with fatty acids to be able to hydrate the skin, to be able to keep those lipids of the skin and prevent the sagging of the body. And a dermatologist, Dr. Julie Halton in Beverly Hills, she's a holistic dermatologist. She explains about coffee Arabic, how beneficial it is for the body, how incredible when you use it as an exfoliation, because it not only helps with the mechanical exfoliation, but also it helps with the chemical exfoliation. The reason is because the acid in this coffee, it will help with the chemical exfoliation. So the exfoliation will be so great every time you do it, and the more exfoliation, the more stimulation of collagen you will have. Coffee Arabic will help to protect the skin protective barrier, and so meaning that when the skin barrier is protected, the less bacteria, the less fungus, the less irritations you will have it. Now, coffee, it's a great thing to protect those prone areas that have the tendency to burn when you are exposed to the sun. Like if you put it on your chest, where the areas that are prone to burn, the coffee will help with that. It will help to protect the skin from burning from the sun. And so now this product right here is combined with also almond oil and other oils to help maintain the hydration of the skin. And so it has also vitamin E, and this is very, very different than other coffee formulations because of the cacao oil and all those oils that provide the hydration. And so and the difference also is in the container, because a lot of the coffee formulations are in plastic containers. So when the coffee gets in contact of plastic, it diminishes the potency. So it's like, if you have it for a few months in your cabinet, so the coffee is already dead. So they had packed in this type of container. It's kind of look like aluminum inside, and so these will last a long time. I put it in a refrigerator. And so now also coffee for brunettes, excellent treatment mask for the hair. There is a hairstylist in New York. I don't remember his name. I will put in a description box. But this hairstylist says that when you do coffee, Arabic coffee mask for your hair, it will soften the hair cuticle to make the hair more shiny. And so I had tried it on my body, and 8 days I had great results. Because it leaves your skin really hydrated, and the skin seems more firm, and I am in love with this product. That's why I'm doing the review, because I don't just do reviews because of the sake of it, or to get viewers. I do it truly with honesty. And so now this is the way it comes. And I tried it on my face as well. I love it. So what happened is, because of the acid in the coffee, once it's exfoliating your skin, the pores are becoming open, and the acid is going into the pores, stimulating collagen. So I had tried in my décolleté area, my face, and so this is good for body and face. I thought I should try the body first, and then I said, no, let's see, trying on my face, because Dr. Julia Hunter recommends trying in your face as well. Okay, so this is the review for today. Keep your body ready for the summer. Don't allow it to sag your body, please, because what you do just with a young face, and then you gotta cover the rest of your body because you're embarrassed that it's sagged. Don't allow it, because the body has a way to restore in a matter of weeks. And like I said, I tried only for 8 days, and I see the results. My skin is much more firm. And so I'll leave you with this, and see you later. Okay, bye-bye.